The universe is saying to you, you are going to be telling a different story very soon. A story about how miracles have found you. A success story filled with so much inspiration. You will give so much hope to so many people when they see you, how much you overcame and still came out on top. Your life is a movie. Type yes if you needed this. Never forget, how far you have come, everything you have gotten through, all the times you have pushed on, even when you felt you could not. All the mornings you got out of bed, no matter how hard it was. All the times you wanted to give up, but you got through another day. Never forget how much strength you have learned and developed along the way. Energy is the currency of the universe. When you pay attention to something, you buy that experience. So, when you allow your consciousness to focus on someone or something that annoys you, you feed it your energy and it reciprocates the experience of being among. Be selective in your focus because your attention feeds the energy of it and keeps it alive, not just within you but in the collective consciousness as well. Type yes if you needed this and also subscribe